In the first part of this tutorial, I added a condition to a simple flow to prevent duplicate contacts in CRM. To complete this flow, I'll add a condition to an action to update existing CRM contacts with matching email addresses. This tutorial assumes you have a working flow between SharePoint Online and Dynamics 365. Let's get started. Access My Flows and open the flow between SharePoint Online and Dynamics 365, the one labeled when an item is created, create a new contact, or a record. Next, click on the Edit Flow button, and then in the No result of the condition, edit the flow and click on the More button in the No result of the condition. In the menu, select Add and Apply to Each. In the Apply to Each, click on the field Select an Output from Previous Steps, and then scroll over. And under Dynamic Content, click on the List Records Value List of Items. Once the value has been selected, click on the button Add an Action. In the action, search for Dynamics 365 Update. Then select Dynamics 365 Update a Record. Next, choose the organization name and the entity contacts, and in the record identifier field, click once and then scroll over until under dynamic content we can search for the word contact. Let's first actually select See More, then Contact, and then we can select Contact, the unique identifier of the contact. Then complete the rest of the fields with the SharePoint fields. Like last name, we can search for last name, and don't forget to select the SharePoint fields. We'll do the same for email address, and first name. Then when you're done, click the Update Flow link. Then once saved, click Done. We can test this by first looking for an existing contact in the list. So Robert@testing.com. We'll make sure that under Dynamics 365, Robert Test 2 is here, but we'll change maybe the last name to Test 3 just to make sure that it works. So we'll do a new one. We'll call this Robert testing.com Robert test 3. Now this will create a duplicate in SharePoint, but it shouldn't create a duplicate in Dynamics 365. Okay, that's our duplicate email, but then if we go back to flows, do See All, we'll see that it's running. Alright, good. So it did go down this path. It went to the no since it said false, and then it updated one record, that being Robert Test 3. And then just to verify, we'll go back to Dynamics 365 and we'll see that it updated the contact correctly. So we know the flow works.